So guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload your report, which is your CNG report, in just 1 minute. Let's get going. So then we have your report in a Word form. So you've already done your report in your Word form. Then before saving it in a PDF, you need to do something before it will be accepted by the website. You go to File. When you go to File, you go to Save As. When you go to Save As, you're going to choose the location in which you should put the file. So my location, I'm going to choose it to be CNG, which is a file. So CNG folder, right? So I'll choose my location. Then saving your file. Pay attention to how I'm going to save the file. Now you want a document. We are saving it in a PDF file, which is PDF. Look at this. The option is here. Most of the times when saving the PDF file, your automatically it is here. But for publishing online, you need to choose what? Minimum size. Publishing online. Then you choose what? Okay. So then you choose your location, which is CNG. And I choose save. Now it is saved, right? It is saved. Then you go to the website in which you've logged in with your CNG. That's your email and your password. So I'm going to open a website whereby you log in, right? So then I go into the website. This is your website, the CNG portal. Now, with the report upload, you choose your file. The file is the one that we saved using the minimum publishing. That's publishing online. That's a very important thing. Is that the file you are using should be less than 1 megabyte, which is the PDF file. Should be what? Less than 1 megabyte. So then we are waiting for the file to appear here. So we are going to choose our file, which are saved in we saved it as what? CNG, right? Go to CNG. And it will save 1 2 3 4 5 6. We save it here. Then it will appear here. Now it has appeared. Then you go to upload. The moment is less than that, you see it's uploaded. Thank you very much. As very simple as that. So always make sure your report is less than 1 byte. Thank you.